Today is going to be my first full-length video in a while. I'm going to start by making a very simple quail dish, and this is just miso quail. Like me, this is kind of a combination between Western and Eastern cooking. So there's going to be, as you can see, it's very simple on the ingredients. It's just miso, rice vinegar, honey, and butter, and some quail. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to preheat the oven to 425 degrees. I'm going to quarter the quail, and I'm going to mix all of these ingredients together, and we're going to marinate the quail. So I'm mixing my marinade together. This is consisting of 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of honey, about 1.5 teaspoons of rice vinegar, and I'm going to add some pepper, just as much as I like it. You don't need to add salt to this recipe because you've got enough salt coming from the miso. Okay. Now that this is nicely mixed, I'm going to go ahead and add my quail quarters. I've cut the quail into pieces consisting of the breast and wings in one piece, or one breast, one wing, and the leg and thighs together. Now we're going to take this and we're going to mix it thoroughly. Sorry about the poor quality of the video here. This is the first time I've done this, and I'm still learning my camera angles, and I am working on my phone. So once these are thoroughly marinated, I'm going to put them onto a cookie sheet. Okay, so you're going to spread them onto your cookie sheet in a single layer. Make sure that each piece has a good coating of the miso butter on it. And now I'm going to go ahead and take this, and I'm going to put it into the oven. The full cooking time on this is going to be 35 to 40 minutes. And I'm going to stop once in the middle to turn them. Okay, it's been halfway. I've taken it out of the oven. I've turned the pieces, and I'm going to put it back in for another 15 minutes. Oh, it does smell good. Okay, and this is the finished dish. Miso quail quarters with a vegetable side dish.